If we're looking at a HubSpot dashboard, we can quickly review the navigation and user interface of HubSpot when viewing any page. If you look over on the left-hand side, we'll see at the very top the HubSpot icon, and this will take us to our default homepage. We set our default homepage when we first log into HubSpot, but can be changed later in the settings. We always suggest that you set a dashboard that really helps progress your day as your default homepage, that every time you're logging into HubSpot, that's the dashboard you see to get started. Underneath that, we have bookmarks. Bookmarks are a way to tag pages that you frequently visit so that you do not have to go into the more extended menu down below and can easily visit any of your bookmarked pages. Below that, we have workspaces. There's a couple different workspaces in HubSpot that just help teams be more efficient. There's a sales workspace and a help desk workspace. Sales is for business development. Help desk is for more customer success, customer support, ticket management. Both are awesome and have great functionality for each of those teams. The next one is the CRM. The CRM has a lot of objects that the team will be in on a day-to-day basis. Home pages and tools related to records, interactions, and payments. You can click this menu to navigate to each of those, as well as some more specific tools to leverage and help segment, manage those audiences, such as lists, inbox, calls, and tasks. There's also an option for custom objects in HubSpot, and any custom objects you have created will appear on this menu. And in this example, we have one to track all of our inbound referrals from our customers. So you can see that. Under marketing, we have all of our marketing tools to manage all of our outbound marketing efforts, as well as all of our inbound marketing efforts, campaigns to track multiple assets related to the same effort. We have our marketing emails, our social media management, our ads, whether that be social ads, Google ads, etc., events, forms that can be embedded in emails on the website, call to actions that can be embedded in marketing emails as well as the website, SMS text messaging. We have buyer's intent to show like intent scoring, similar to Zoom Info or some of the other tools out there that have that newer functionality to show who's searching what terms online, and then lead scoring, showing who are the hot leads in your CRM and who should be flowing in front of sales. After that, we have content. Content is a great tool and mostly focused around all of your collateral, content, hence the name, and website, blog, podcast, case studies. You can build a custom knowledge base, your custom portal. Remix is a great AI tool to build landing pages, social media posts, white papers, all at the click of a button around a single prompt. Your SEO management, memberships for external facing users, as well as a design manager to allow you to build assets in HTML. Below that is commerce. If you are taking payments through HubSpot, you can set up those transactions, invoices through this panel. Below that is automations. Here are tools to automate actions in your HubSpot account. And if you can go through workflows, sequences, which is automated outreach at a set interval, chatflows, which are more chat bots that can be embedded on your website, as well as surveys, which can be customer feedback, NPS, scoring, etc. Next, you have data management. All of these tools allow you to kind of manage your data in HubSpot, whether that be importing, exporting data under data integration or pulling it over from a third-party platform, custom events to track specific events contacts are taking with your engagements or in your CRM, data quality, keeping data clean, formatted, deduplicated, data sets, your data model, as well as data enrichment, which is powered by Breeze in HubSpot, allowing you to add or populate missing information on your records in HubSpot. And then below that, last but not least, is our library. Super useful tool here. Templates, all of our email templates that we use and leverage in our for our outbound emails, one-on-one emails and or sequences. We have our meeting scheduler, allowing us to customize our personal meeting link and or create custom meeting links around events, trade shows, or groups of people that we want to make sure meet with the prospect all at the same time. Our files, which is similar to documents, right? Files are used to be embedded in marketing emails and website assets. Documents are used to be attached to one-to-one outbound sales emails. Playbooks can be created for specific personas or segments for your sales team to leverage and can be found on the contact records when the sales team is working that contact who fits that persona. Pretty cool. Snippets are code blocks or text blocks that can be quickly inserted into templates to populate a series of text rather than having to type it out every time. And coaching playlists, similar to playbooks, but a little more generic towards the organization as a whole. We have Breeze down here. That is that data enrichment tool that allows you to populate data on missing data on current records. And we have CRM development, allowing you to develop custom coded solutions in your HubSpot instance. And then really quickly up top, we have the phone call tool, HubSpot Calling. You can set up your own number in there or leverage a HubSpot number to make outbound calls in HubSpot. We have that marketplace where you can look at apps or third-party solutions, website templates, a lot of great ways to connect your current applications with HubSpot. We have our help desk. The help desk is awesome with HubSpot. You can connect with a live person or ask a question through their live chat. The gear icon is settings, and that's going to take you to your settings page, which we'll get into later when we're connecting our inbox, calendar, and setting up our email signature. Our notifications button, if we click our notifications button, it'll show you all the notifications you have from HubSpot. Copilot is the HubSpot AI tool that is still just being released and currently in development, but an awesome tool to play around with. And then up in the top right, you have the ability to view your information, your profile, back-end information, your HubSpot account.